Alrighty. So, this is more of a I'm gonna attempt to do it because of course I'm gonna be figuring it out as I go along. So let's do that together. Let's close OBS. So, Flight 400. I gotta find the book. It's in this book somewhere. Additional materials. This is the PDF. That's the PDF. That's the PDF. These are all PDFs. Need to find the actual. Maybe if we search Red Book. I have the stuff if I. This might be it. Nope. Well, this is the book. We just lost the page that I think I needed. Nope, it's in this book. Okay. Where is the zip? Okay, so I have the zips on my our laptop, so what I'm going to do is just send them to myself. I gotta find them. Open in Finder. Alright, I got them. It's a zip, so how do I send them? Dropbox. Alright, so we have the instructions. I have a server we can use. Now I just need to get the stuff to myself, which I'm almost done doing. So let's launch Dropbox here. Let's just put it in code, my code folder. Cool. Okay, I have it open in the old Dropbox. Alright, it's uploading to Dropbox. Got it. Okay. So, not that it matters, but I also have the chat window open on my other system here. So, questions and stuff I can answer when if I was course get any. Okay, where is it? Syncing. There we go. Okay, I think I can delete all this. Extract to. So we have two save files, and we also have the instructions now. I'm just going to use FileZilla. I think I have it set up. Yep. Close. Thank you. Okay, and let's go transfer. Oh, it's SSH, so it doesn't have a transfer type. That's correct. Let's drop these babies in there. Excellent. Oh, I realized we actually need to put it in QGPL, so we should cancel these. Stop and removal. qsys.lib. We could put it. We could create. Yeah, we'll just put them in QGPL. I don't really want to, but let's not put them in QGPL. Let's make a new library. Let's go call it Flight400. That's going to be our library. We got to build the thing. This is going to be tough. So, create lib Flight400 created. Okay, excellent. Can we do that? Is that going to work? Let me just drag them here. Yeah, didn't think so. So we'll have to put them onto the old. Let's just do FTP, man. Wanted to avoid it, but first of all, CD downloads, FTP. I did. Yep. Make sure it doesn't type my password in. Good, good. Okay, CD QGPL. Oh, CD QGPL. All right. Okay, so CD root. So in downloads, CWD. Oh, bloomin' hate. Append, delete, remote help. Okay, I'm done. Let's just use this. Let's just copy it to my home directory like I usually what I was originally going to do. And then copy to stream, and then copy from stream file. That's easier. So, okay, let's leave it to do that. Yep. Okay, let's just overwrite. And then if I go to github.com/sitemule/ something, one of these repos has got noxdb has the command I want in the make file right at the bottom. Copy from stream file. Oh, we need to create the Flight400. I think it's called Flight400, right? Yep. Oh, FLGHT. No I. And Flight400 M. Okay, that's those two. 200 meg of a file, so it's going to take a second. This will be interesting if it works first time. All the source is built already and stuff. All the programs are already built. The part that we have to do in the migration is actually rebuild it. And I'll tell you what, while we're here, while we're waiting for that to upload, let's go ahead and check my useful sections. Let's make a new thingy, call it Flight400 test migration. Okay, we'll just create that for later. Let's close that FTP. Okay, I'm excited. It should be fun. Okay, so it's got some instructions on how to use it too. Okay, so we don't necessarily care about the rest of it. We just need to know how to use them. We just need to get the green screen applications going. So all we need to do is extract them, and that's the start. That's the start that we have, that we need. Okay. This looks good though. Jeez, come on. I should have done this before. I honestly can't seem to find anything about this online other than this red book, and there's a bit about yips, but there's nothing that specifically tells me about the tool. Some bits about the APIs, which I don't want. What else we got? 32%. Lovely. Okay. Let's close that for now. Go Flight 400 FRS main. Oh, so we have menus too. That's fun. This is going to be fun. It's going to be a good migration. Should be a big one. And while we wait for that to upload, I'm going to use the loo. So, go back. %49. Nice. Alright, I don't know, I'm trying to think what we could do while we wait. Not a lot. Let's call the old driver chat while we wait, I suppose. Okay, well, we've got everything we need. Good, good, good. This GitHub issue doesn't lead anywhere. Oh, this is the link. $300 KB a second. Ugh. We're getting there, people. Maybe I could give a little sneak peek of NetRPG while we're here. So file, open recent. So this is NetRPG. So I can run the unit tests by hitting F5 and it builds the runtime. And then runs all the unit tests. There's only 90 or so at the moment, but it's getting there. And I've just started on the old display file support, so it's getting there. Takes a while. Those are some nice icons. True color test. That's cool. Oh, that's a nice. That's a nice. Cool. Well, that's that. How's this upload doing? Terrible. Should have guessed. I can actually close Dropbox now though. Same on my Mac. I actually want the battery to last, so I should probably close it out on my Mac here. Hmm. Oh, Jesus, come on. This is stressful. Imagine watching a live stream where the thing that you're watching is actually just someone uploading content to a fucking server. That's interesting. That is interesting. Oh, jeez. I regret scrolling through my Twitter. It's political sometimes. 89%, we've almost finished. So this book is interesting. Basically, they create web services out of the programs inside of Flight 400. Basically, they create PCML and import it into IWS. Yeah, iNav. IBM Web Administrator, FOI. But I don't like that stuff. I don't like it. I lost the make file here. Okay. It's done. Goodness me. Let's go back to where we were quick. Okay, so now the save files are uploaded. That is good. Let's do the old cheeky work link. Check we got them. There it is. There they are. Right, jeez. So we put them. Then we need to move them. We're almost there. So we called it Flight 400 lib, and the first one is going to be Flight 400 SAVF. I think is what we called it, right? Flight FLGHT. And then there's one called FLGHT 400. And the save file is FL GHT400 file. Okay, this was the big one, so I'm expecting this to take a moment. Save files are kind of messy, in my opinion, so... Well, this is a good song. Oh, it worked. Jeez. So now let's do 400M. We're not too worried about the M so much in this stream, I don't think. I'm going to start with John Paris, Susan Gantner, and Paul Tui today, and they said the important one is just the base. So, stream file not copied, object in use. I wonder if I close that. What? Okay. Ah. Work obj flight 400 slash style. Flight 400M. Okay. Work link. That is not a work link. That is not work link. Okay. What do you mean it's in use? Come on, sign off. Oh, I should have grabbed the command before I did that, but that's okay. Oh, that's loud. Alright, let's do this again. That was too big. Alright, so flight 400M. This is flight FLGHT 400M dot file. Object not found. Oh. Home Allen Free FL. Object is in use. What? Yes. Thank you for that record length information. It definitely shouldn't be used. Okay. Oh. I'm looking for... Guessing that's it right there. Those two. I'm probably node. I don't want to get rid of that actually. Ah, that worked. Okay. No idea if it actually worked, but it worked. The part that we needed. Oh no, I lost a bit. Okay, restore lib. Saved library. Flight 400. Oh, we need two libraries, I realized. Let's just do flight 400 first. Device. Start satf. Save file. Flight 400 FL GHT 400. File flight. It's not called that, is it? Come on. I bet I did something wrong, guaranteed. Nope. Guaranteed it's got the wrong library name. Create lib. Oh, it's in the save file. That looks like it's working. That frustrates me about save files when you restore them. Don't get it. Oh, that's fine. Okay, and then let's create lib GHT400M, and let's restore into Flight400M, and this is our save file. Okay, cool. Work obj flight 400 slash start RPG. Ah, jeez. CLPs, fine. Display files, logicals. Oh goodness. Okay. We're gonna be doing a lot of work tonight. It's gonna be long. So if it's worked, so it says we should edit the library list and put flight 400. I'm curious as to what is actually in flight 400M RPGLE. So okay, what if I oh, it's not. That's not the library, is it? But then flight 400. Okay, this is going to be strange. Let's do this again. Let's get rid of that M. Let's do what the thing says. Go FRS main. Cool. It says when we need an agent name, I'll just put Barry, and it says the password is Mercury. Okay, Joy. Okay, these are the agent names. Where's Joy? Joy's on here, isn't it? Is the password wrong? Am I spelling it wrong? Mercury. F10. That's dumb. Okay, order number pending. So this is creative an order. It's the 10-13-19 from City, Southampton to part-time to City, Austin. Customer. Must be after today's date. This is American, so let's do 14. From cities, F4. Oh, that's a shame. Let's go from Albuquerque to... Oh, come on, somewhere fun. Houston. Houston's where it's at. F6. Wow. Lovely. Customer. Of course, I'm going to be in first. Jeez. One ticket. Please use the format last name, first name with comma for customer name. Barry, Liam. And then F7 for customers. Oh, I have to, okay. I have to register the customer. That's interesting. Okay. And then what? One ticket. F10 to make the reservation. Inquire to an existing. Okay. Joy. Oh, I forget who I booked it under. This isn't me, but this is fine. Oh, I can put the date of departure in F5 to select the date. These are 2004. Jesus Christ, I just put a trip in for 2019. Position 2. 2019. Oh! I booked it. Alright, let's try again. Joy. Mercury. It's F10. Joy. Customer name. F4. There's a lot of the same. This is a lot of orders for the same customer. Position 2. Bottom. Oh, okay. No, okay, alphabetical. Buffalo to Syracuse. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, I think we can manage this system. Fax reservation information. So I'm Joy, Mercury. F10, dude. That stresses me out. Fax order. Cool. Reservation system reports 20. Joy. This login is stupid. Should be at the start of the screen. Printed. Where export file. Hey, still being created. Look at that. Thank you, Alan, for making that report. Oh, I see. This is by the agent. So this is all for Alex. I get it. Where's Joy? I want to find Joy. No, not Joyce. Where's Joy? Joy. Give me joy. Bring joy to my heart. Okay, I'm not going to find it, but that's cool. So it creates a report of passengers by flight. So I have to select a flight. Let's do that again, and then select a flight. This literally just starts run query. Oh, that's funny. That is interesting. Okay. This is going to be interesting. So let's do a work object. Flight400 / start. Oh. We're going to need a second window here too in a mo. Where is the source code? File. Wait, what? Don't do this to me. Q. Okay, that's a journal. No, don't be like that. No source code. QDD. There it is. I got a bit. Got a bit antsy then. I was going to lose it. CMD source, menu source, RPG source, DDS source F, source D. I don't know what though. We'll figure it out, but this is the important one right now. So let's go look at that. This is in Flight 400. This is all RPG. This is all RPG, like, we're going now. This is all, like... File definitions have not changed one bit. That's an input spec. First, this is for a report. It doesn't even have any comments in it. Output spec. Move one field to another. Move blanks into that. Oh, man. Okay, so before we even have to do that, create RPG. Pug'em. Okay. So, the first step in this is going to be moving the source code without converting it to an ILE program. That's the first thing we're going to do. And I'm going to assume there's a way to build this. There's probably a build script, CLP. Invokes the build of the customer's file. Okay. Test program. What the hell is use reset opcode? Create data area value reset. I don't even want to know. So we don't know how to build it. Build. I see there's some RPG to build the flights file. Build customer file. This is a program though. Is it? Is there any C specs? There is. This is some RPG right here, folks. What else we got? Select airlines from list. There's no way. I have no build system. Look at this. They've got different versions of the same application. Look at that. They've just added characters to the end. So, new order 2004 UDS, I'm guessing is... I do not condone this. What else we got? CMD source. Test it. Test program. Okay. Fax confirmation window. Okay, so the CL's not too worried about. Menu, everything else, not too worried about. And it's at the PFs and LFs. We're gonna... Maybe we could convert these to SQL after we put it all in Git. Because creating them is fine, but it's the replacing part. And LFs could just, I mean, they could just become views and indexes. This looks like a view ordered by number. This is all the records over this file. This looks fun. I'm gonna, yeah, okay, cool. QDDS, those are the display files, okay. CMDs. This looks a lot easier than what I was first imagining. Okay, so we've created the repository already, which is good. So let's go ahead and go to my repositories here. Let's open up an SSH shell. Let's go ahead and file, close folder. Let's just go and use my terminal. Flight 400. This is going to be a big thing. Alright, git clone. This is it. We're starting the project. Cloning it. We have the empty repo. Flight 400. CD. Flight 400. LS. PWD. We're good. Here we go. First of all, let's open up our green screen here. Let's come out of our application. Let's do create. Oh, no. Add level. Migrate. Mig source PF. This is the start. Migrate source PF. Source library. Let's get open our file editor up here. And our green screen. So our source PF is FLGHT 400. Let's start with the first one. QRPG source. Output directory. This is what we just copied from VS Code. Paste it in. Enter. This change came from cool branch. It's kind of like froze. Oh, I'm in. Oh no, it's froze. Nope, I was locking something. Cool. Alright, so let's still work. Link. Let's go look at. Wish this thing was. Oh, it is. I wish it was alphabetical. It is kind of, but including capitals. QRPG, so okay, we have our source code. That's great. I don't know if it's all in there. Well, we could look. Because don't forget, we have to do the other source code too. Yeah, we have to do the source code for Flight 400M. Okay, so that looks like all of it. Bcust. Yeah, we're good. Okay, let's do the next one. The next one is QMNU source. Excellent. The next one is Q DDS SRCF. DDS SRCF. Cool. Alright, the next one is Q DDS SRCD. The next one is Q CMD SRC. The next one is Q CLP SRC. Okay, that's the hard part done. Actually, that was a lie. That was the easy part done. Checking the old Slack here while I connect. Excellent. Okay, Flight 400. Okay, we have our source code, and I think I shouldn't change my connection settings because it doesn't hide my password, which is annoying. Which is fine. All right, let's actually. Yeah, git add -- all git commit -m. Excellent, that was fast. Cool. So we have the system. We have the thing. So what I should have done before I closed IL editor up here is checked and compared with flight 400M. So we have Q serve source. So that's okay. This is binding, and Q RPGLE source. So it looks like these actually replace the programs. They effectively do the same thing. That removed all the spaces. Did it keep all the comments? It did. 312. Let's just go to the top. So this effectively is supposed to be the same code. We could just build it. The problem. Okay, all right. I have an idea. We'll put all the source code in, I guess. Yeah, I have no idea. How do we do that in one makefile? What's the best? It gets kind of ugly. Like, I feel like we could just overlay this code with the. So in the migrate tool, I should look, because if I do migrate, look at the migrate tool, does it do star replace when it moves the source code? Really, if it doesn't, it should. It does! That's good. That should help us. Because effectively, I go back to Flight 400, Q RPG source. Effectively, this code in M should replace the code in non-M. What is this? 408. They're a bit different. Guess I'll have to find out. We'll worry about it when we get there, I suppose. Alrighty, so. Alright, makefile. And we have the SQL to worry about. That's going to be a real pain in the backside. We'd have to generate SQL over all the DDS, basically, is what I'm thinking. So, makefile. What we're going to do first is do all the RPG. I think. Yeah, we'll do that first. So, let's do some variables. Binlib. Okay. Alright, sorry, I'm just checking here. I've got some messages on my system here. Okay, so binlib is going to be, we need to create flight 400 / start all. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to have flight 400 with the I is going to be the one that I'm going to create. So let's create lib flight 400M. We're going to need that later. Flight 400, that's going to be the library we're going to build the objects into. All debug view, we'll do debug view later. So let's just do our first rule, .rpg. This depends on qrpg, yeah, qrpg source / %.rpg. I'm guessing that's what it is. Yep. Alrighty. So, maybe we could do this binlib m. That could be our ILE stuff. That could be equal to binlib M. Okay, well, we might be able to do one makefile here. It's just, yeah, we might be able to do that. I think that might work. Anyway, so QRPG. Now, the real problem we have is that can't compile QRPG from the IFS. That's one thing we have to combat. So why don't we go look at the migrate tool? And let's go to makefile. Yeah, we need to just. I hate that we're gonna have to do this, but we are. Let's take this. Has it got those tabs? Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Member option replace. Binlib, binlib, binlib. So that's create CMD. We don't need create CMD. We need anymore create RPG now. Create RPG program. Program. That's going to be $asterisk. Library is going to be binlib. I think that's pretty much it, unless there's more. Alright, let's just copy that, first of all. Let's stick that in there. I need to change the theme. I'm not enjoying this. The light theme is better. Okay. We need to create .gitignore in a moment too. Let's what's the way? Nope. If I press, there's a button to press to get rid of bits, but maybe it's control? Nope. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Thank you. Okay, so we have list options, like start all. Is that an option? Nope. Start source. Generation options, source, listing. I mean, look good. I don't really know if we need any options. Replace programmers automatically start yes. Allow no values. Okay, we might be fine. So that's going to copy the member and build the program. So before we test this, let's go ahead and create our new file, .gitignore. And inside of that, asterisk.rpg. We're going to need this because we're doing touch here. So, alrighty. Still look, I'll get status 2 new files, gmake. Anything to be done? For, right. So, bcust. Let's start with that. Okay, so now we've got a library list problem. So luckily, I made a whole book on this. Shell. Oh. Okay. That should do it. What? Binlib. Let's go look. Oh, work obj flight. There it is. There it is. In library libel. What? What? Oh, the lib list is probably, yeah, there's no libel. The lib list is very simple. That's going to be, in this case right now, Flight 400. And maybe Flight 400M just to be safe. That worked. Let's do system dash S too. We don't want all that crap every time. Let's do, we need to add a clean, which is just going to do an rm dash f.rpg. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely. That is great. So now it's a case of us actually having to type a lot of this in. Instead, we could do a nicer way. Let's have some variables for this. Program targets. Pugum targets equals bcust b flight FRS000. Well, there's no easy way to do this, really, is there? Well, we got 001, 001T, 1U, 1T, 1U, 1U2. Alright, let's just save that. Oh, there definitely is something to be done for all, thank you very much. Oh, Pugum targets, yep. So this is going to be Pugum targets. Bust, bcust. This is good. It's building the applications. This is decent. This is great. This is a really good start, actually. This is going awfully well. Must be a quick way to type these out. Copy path, does that work? Not really. What else we got? Maybe if I zoom in, it'll be easier. Less to look at. FRS001X. RPG. Let's just get that on the copy board there. FRS002.RPG. FRS003 RPG. FRS004 RPG. 5, 9. Okay, and then what we can do is just clean this up a little bit. We can do this. Like so. Lovely. I'm going to check that works. Oh, 001X. What'd I do? FRS001X.RPG. Length of field not the same as prior definition. I wonder if this is an old one, so we won't include it or something. See, that's the problem. We have no fucking idea what these programs do. They're not commented or anything. So I have no idea what is and isn't supposed to work. I guess what we could do is we could search for the program name in fine string PDM and see where it's used. That's not a bad shout. strpdm fine string FRS 001X file Q RPG source in flight 400 star all star display none. Okay, I'm not worried. So in fact, let's just take it out. Excellent. Lovely. And I need to put -s. Actually, system, just in case we want to make it configurable at some point. Like that. I like that more. I might just call it S. No, we'll call it system. It's cool. Cool. Alright. So let's carry on where we were. FRS 005 RPG. New line. FRS 009.RPG. FRS 021.RPG. FRS 022.RPG. FRS 023.RPG. FRS 024.RPG. FRS 401.RPG. FRS 402.RPG. FRS 401B.RPG. FRS 402 RPG. FRS 402B RPG. We only got, oh, about halfway. Okay. FRS 405 RPG. FRS 406 RPG. New line. FRS 407 RPG. FRS 408 RPG. FRS 409. We're getting there. RPG. I need to I need a way to automate this stuff at some point. That would make a lot of sense. I need to just write tools to generate make files and stuff. This is a lot of effort. That'd be wise. I might do that soon, actually. That's a little node script I could write. FRS 410 RPG. FRS 411. FRS 412. FRS 413. GTO. JCV.RPG. That's a weird name. RTDOFW RPG. RTrand.RPG. Trand. Alright. It's getting there. Oh, it's done. It's done. Look at that. Nice. Get status, dudes. Nice. That's cool. Okay, commit. What are we committing here? Make file to build all RPG. Okay, get push. Boom. How about that? We just dropped that bomb. We just did all the RPG in like 10 minutes. So we're halfway there of building a whole application now. So I don't actually know how to build menus. You know, this is not something I've done very often. So it must be create menu. Okay, we will do the menus last. Maybe no, I should do them first. I know that this is v3r2 source code. Although these are display files, I should use these at some point. Oh, this is yeah, this is DDS. So create. Is there a display file? Create menu. So that's the menu DDS and the command DDS. menu cmd. AS400 menu cmd. Create menu. Menu type. Pugum, I guess. Oh, I get it. So program would be the CMD. What parameter is that? No, that's the program. So that's the menu program. This is the DDS. So that, okay. Okay. Menu DDS. It just looks like a display file. It is just a display file, I'm sure of it. And this menu DDS, this menu points at so this menu, this display somehow points at the QQ, at the menu command. So how about create display file? Because I have the bits that I have. Well, how do I compile it? Okay. So this is a menu which calls a particular program. Okay. Oh, I think I get it. I think I get it. No, I don't. So this is the menu that we create, but where does it? How does it call this command? That's what I'm lost at. What points this DDS to that menu? Because I have no fucking idea. I wish I knew. I know display files. I just don't know menus, which is really strange. Maybe I don't need to compile them together. Maybe I just need to build them and it does it for me or something. Hmm. Design screen, design menu, test display files. They must just be linked, like without, just not obviously. Oh! Okay. So it says, when I use, I don't really get it. It says right here, to create the menu, create display file using the menu DDS source member. I think I use star. Okay, Brian, someone in the YouTube chat for the recording, someone put in the chat that when I use create menu, I use type D. Oh, that makes sense. I missed that. So I need to create the display file first. Cool. Okay. So let's do that in our. Let's do disp targets. Let's not do. Let's do menu targets equals. And what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to just do both objects in one make, in one target actually. So now I can't because they're two separate objects. So if I want to build one, yeah, okay, okay. I got it. FRS main MNU DDS FRS CMD no FRS main dot MNU CMD, and I need to create. So CMD is creates. Well, it's not create CMD. It's menu CMD. Menu DDS. Menu DDS. I get that much, but not menu CMD. Interesting. Okay, right here. So one is literally create menu, and one is create DDS display file. I guess one is stop program and one is. Oh, I get it. No, I get it. Menu command is QQ, I think, but we need to create the display file separate. Okay, let's just try it and find out, I guess. So let's make a new target. This is going to be in Q MNU source percent dot MNU DDS. This is going to be mostly this, except for the last bit. And actually, we don't need to use the lib list here because it doesn't depend on anything, which is nice. And we just want create display file. File is going to be like that. Then it's going to be our binlib source file. That's going to be qddsrc, I guess. Library binlib. Q menu source is the temp for what we're using here. menu src. Okay. We haven't got menu cmd yet. We can try that. Let's try FRS main. Dot menu dds. Oh, okay, that created. Great. That was weirdly simple. Next one is CMD, which I'm still a bit phased. Maybe there's more information about it if I just search menu CMD. Maybe it's just the menu. And I specify display file. Yeah, okay, let's just do that. So, let's create a menu. Menu. It's going to be, well, $ asterisk, $ binlib. And then the next one is going to be star dispef. And then it's going to be display file is the name, the same name with a QQ. No, it's no QQ. It's this. The menu up here is QQ, right? It is. That's the QQ. Oh, it's already in the name. We don't need that. Oh, that's the problem. If it's in the name, that's the problem. We're gonna have to do one make for both, which is fine. It's fine. We just have to call it MNU, and it not really have it. So this bit's not needed because it's not really a real object. But we'll have to touch that item. So then it's going to be QQ, like so, like the name. Libel, no, that'll be binlib. Okay, that's our second command. Well, we need to copy this first. Q, MNU. Oh, I called it source. That should be DDS. Oops. This should be CMD. And then instead of create display file, we have our create menu. Has the QQ on the end. I have no idea. Okay. MNU. Path name not valid. From STMF is broken. Ah, that's why. That's fine. It's Q MNU source / asterisk dot MNU DDS. Okay. CMD. Oh, did I do that? MNU CMD. It's QQ. That's why. It's QQ. QQ. We get there. Says it was created. So if I go flight 400 FR. Nope. Oh. I'm confused. If the how does it do a go against the menu command, which is supposed to be the menu, but it's got the QQ on there? I don't get it. So let's go look at work obj flight. Hell, GHT 400 / start all. So let's look for FRS main. That's the message file. Oh, those are message files. We have to build those. Oh shit. Guaranteed it's got a message file in there. Oh, that's a pain in the ass because we have no real easy way to export those into Make yet. We could do it using SQL. So we might actually have to leave the DDS in the menu for now. FRS main, there it is. So where's the display? Where's the display file? There they are. FRS man T. FRS main and FRS main. Two objects with the same name. Okay. 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 All right. Make menu. Menu type. Source member. QQ. Don't even need the QQ on there. It's completely different fucking. Just the QQ is in the name of the. And the QQ doesn't even need to be in here anymore because. So let's fucking rename it. Jeez, that has made life easy. Rename. No more QQ. No more QQ. So the QQ's in there because, of course, you can't have two members with the same name. So that really is annoying. So let's do this again. Let's get rid of QQ. Get rid of that there. Rid of it there. Rid of it there. Rid of it there. Let's save that. But we can have two objects with the same name if they've got a different type, I guess. I'm learning. rm-rf .mnu. Oh. That worked. Go. Oh. Nope. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. That worked. Sick. That worked. But now we really should separate these into two separate sources. So this is going to be, that's going to be menu DDS. Oh, I pressed F11. Oops. And this is going to be menu CMD. Paste it there. Nice. Let's get that touch in here, and then we can actually add the file dependency back. Q mnu source $$.mnu cmd. Excellent. And in fact, yeah, that's good. Cool, dude. Except it's not cmd, it's going to be dds. Save. So where we have frs menu.menu, let's change that to mnu. We need the DDS first, and then we need FRS main, FRS main.mnu, mnu cmd, right? Because the cmd is dependent. Although if it's dependent, we should do this instead. We should say that, and then that's dependent on FRS main.mnu. Oh no, it's the other way around. That's the CMD, which is dependent on the FRS main DDS. Nice. So then when we haven't done, if I do gmake now, nothing to be done. If I do menu targets, I wonder what have we done now? So did that do the create menu? It did. What if I now change menu DDS? What if I... Nope. That's odd. That's strange. FRS main. I'll do gmake clean. And then we actually need to gmake clean dot mnu DDS start dot mnu cmd. Okay. I was gonna rebuild everything. Oh, it didn't. That's cool. Okay, so what did that do? That only built the menu targets. So if I need to do this, targets equals interesting. I'm learning here. Where is the @ sign? Right there. That was not what I wanted to do. Oh, I get it, because the all needs to be higher up. I think that's probably what. No, yeah, no, it's a. Oh yeah, because it's building that target first. Duh. And then we can just take that back there, put it there. Yeah, always goes to the first one. And get rid of that. So we should put some comments in too. Below are these generic targets. Below is the dep list. Will it work this time? Oh, gmake clean. Okay, now it's creating programs. Okay, this is good. So it created the menus. FRS main type menu, effort file created a library. Nice. So now if I change my file here, do it. So that's interesting. FRS Mant. I'm editing the wrong one. It did? Okay, that's the dependency working. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. So let's go ahead and put some more, and then some more targets. FRS main. FRS Mant. Is that what it is? Yeah. MNU CMD FRS REPT dot MNU CMD. And then of course these need their equivalent. I reckon I could just do something like that though. Although, take that. Okay, so that's still working. I might change this again. Should build the CMD and the DDS. It works. Excellent. Excellent. This is good. This is real good. Cool. What else we got? Source files, PF and LFs, displays. They're very simple. Commands, also very simple. CLP. This box is not 7.3, is it? No. Create CL Pugum. I'm Gress. Yeah. They probably aren't bound CL, so we could try. We should commit this. Oh, wait. There we go. So, support for building menus. Nice. Oh. This is sick. This is going really well, actually. So I'm just going to take a break here and check some messages. How on earth do you spell poutine? I know that's very strange. Poutine. Poutine. That's just... No, I definitely don't want poutine. Thank you. Not in Southampton. How long have we been going for so far? Let's open up the old OBS here. Hour and a half. Cool. This is going well. I might do a little bit more. I'm going to take a little break. I will go on the old Twitter though and see what's going on there. Um, Good. Mm, just typing back to some messages. Oh. Alrighty. Okay, alright. So, what next? What next? I don't want to. We got to somehow convert all these logicals at some point. Let's do the display files. Yep. Now the displays are pretty straightforward because we have a display file one already. We just got to rename it. We got to just add a new target, call it dispef. I think it's that simple. Except we don't need that anymore. And we shouldn't be using that anymore. Should be using $ shit less than. That's what it is. No, because I realize we have two rules. Yeah, no. That's fine. Fine. Okay. So display file, create display file. That's a straightforward one. And I think that's literally it. No name changes. So let's just make it disp targets equals FRS 000 DF dispef. It's just a lot of that. FRS 002 F.df. Oh, dot dispef. Let's just copy this a load of times. 0203. That was not the right place. 03 4 5 9 21 22. 23 24 25. 23 24 25. These are all DF. Shit. Bollocks. Alright, we'll go through and do that in a moment. Display file. That's what it means. DF for display file. Oh, that's annoying. 0 to 5. Zero to 5 DF. Already got that. 401. 402. 403. 404. 405. Alright, we're almost there. 405, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's all of it. So a little bit more to go. And we should start putting these on new lines. Six, oh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, now I need to go put the D on all the ones I'm missing, which is every one of them. DF. They've all got DF at the end. That one's got DFB. Okay. Which is what? 401 DFB. Where's 401? 401. There's no 401 DFB. But then D. Oh, it messes up the whole. Ah, it was perfect. Alright. DF. 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 D. Oh. DF. 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 This is a lot quicker. DF. 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 Do the actual display files in work obj FGHT 400 slash star all star file. Do the display files have DF? Yep, they do. Okay, great. They all have DF, which is good. So let's stick this on the disp targets, and let's also put it into the gignor. Star disp F. What? Ah, Q. What is it? Q DDS SRCD. That is a long, ugly name. That's good. That's good. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Nice. Nice, dude. Oh, lovely. Get status, dude. Nice. That is good. I'm very happy with that, actually. Wrong tool. Wrong repo. Cool, dude. Use clear is literally nothing. Use reset. That's odd. When we looked at them, So when we looked at these, what is this? Q, CMD, SRC? What? That's very odd. Oh, they're programs. And neither of them have parameters. Okay. CLP. Looks like these would work just as regular CL programs. They're good old cheeky create bound CL. I'm a bit worried about these message files though. Work message. Work with message files. What are they called? Oh. Oh! Oh, I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. Okay, let's build our CLs. Now, because I'm on 7.2, I don't have access to the ability to compile CL on from the IFS. So in 7.3 you do have that. I've never used Create RPG program before until today. I've never actually written a classical RPG program, which I find interesting. Uh, Talking to my main man, Josh. Oh. Okay. Alrighty, alrighty. Okay, alright. Let's close some of the things off. Okay, CL. Another easy one. Q, CLP, SRC. I feel like my terminal is really big. Yeah, I think that's the normal size. I think. I can't really tell. Oh my god, it's only 10 to 7. I'm fucking exhausted. Jeez. Alright, anyway. Q, CLP, SRC. Alright, create bound CL F4. Program $star curlib bin lib. I like bin lib with the variable, it fits right in. QCLP source. Get it right, dude. And again, bin lib. That's pretty much it, I think. And this one's a short list. I feel like this is part of the Pugum targets as well, a little bit. So let's do that. So BLDCST CLP. We should test these. Gmake BLDCST CLP. What? There's a rule right there, baby. Oh. Got it. Excellent. This is working better than I was expecting. FRS 001CL.CLP. FRS 411CL.CLP. Message Pugum 2 CLP. Message Pugum PRG. Okay, that's what we want. .CLP. Message PRG H.CLP. RT seed CLP. Test it CLP. Use clear CLP. Use reset CLP. Message Pugum 2. Praise Jesus! What the hell is that? That's funny, dude. Alright, gmake message Pugum 2 CLP. System equals nothing. I wonder where that's used. Cheeky find. Oh, I probably just go back to it. I didn't sign out, did I? I probably went. Wait, it's probably. Oh, there it was. Nothing. What about if I make it? I need. Is there a way to make it not suit the case? Match. Kind of match. Ignore. What does the? I guess that's ignore case. Yeah. Message. Okay, I'm not going to bother then. If it's not even in there, I might even delete it. I better not, but I will actually remove it. Let's finish making all the programs. So I've learned something new today. I didn't know use reset. I didn't know CL programs. Oh, use reset. CLP. I didn't know. We haven't done the commands yet, have we? No. I'm about to find out today whether commands can be empty or not. I didn't know if they could or couldn't be, but I guess they can if there's no parameters. You just prompt them to call a program. That does make sense, actually. All right. Get status. I need to add .clp to my get ignore. Compile CL. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Very happy. What else we got left? I think we have two left, which is the files, which I'm going to convert to SQL. That's some. Well, I can do it today. I can do it in the IL editor actually. I'm not very good with LF. So this is key. This is an index. And this is also an index or a view. So let's look at the agents. Okay, it's a view. It's a view, I'm sure. We can try. I don't really know what I'm doing, so. That's a. Okay. Key. P file airline. Key. Unique. Wish I knew better. Okay. 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 Let's do the commands, and I think we're pretty much good to go. Let's make a new target. CMD targets. Which in our case is only two files, I believe. CMD source. It's going to be use clear CMD and use reset CMD. LF are both index and view. Okay, but how do you tell the difference? How do you know which one is an index and which one is a view? Or can they literally be both? What do I, if I'm writing SQL, how would I create an index or would I create a view? Custard. Custard. That's funny. Because I'm going to have to go through and do every one of these, but I don't want to waste time if I'm going to get it wrong. La name. Unique. PF. Last name. There's a whole table for last name. Crikey. That means there's an F name, surely. Oh, geez, there is. To city, from city. In SQL, you need both. So I have to create an index and a logical with the same name. Interesting. LF without key fields, K is just a view. Oh, that's useful to know. So, LF, that's an index. In addition to the view. Okay, so they're all views and cannot be the same name. That doesn't make sense to me, though. I'm going to have to do some Googling. I don't really understand that. So, LF without any key fields, so a K, is a view. If it has the K, then it creates the index as well as the view, but they can't have the same name. That is strange. I have to do some Googling. Let's just do the commands and get that over with, and then I'll do some Googling. Now that I've got Careless Whisper on, let's skip that. Ah, you'd end up with 2 file objects. Right, that is right. Oh, Jesus, that's tough. Okay, so QCMD SRC. I'll have to do some googling. I'm still thinking about it when I just should get this bit over with. So I've realized CL that doesn't need a library list. CMD. Cool. Okay. I'm guessing they have this. Yeah, it's the same. Lovely. We're using QCMD. Q. Oh, this is CLP. Yep. Create QCMD. Yep. File not found. Did I not copy it right? Libel. What? Oof. Oh, I guess I am specifying source file on some things. Lovely. Lovely. Now let's update the clean. So we actually missed off .dispef, .clp, or do we call it something else? CLP star dot CMD now. Gmake clear. Oh, Gmake clear. What else do we miss? Menu CMD, menu DDS, display file, RPG, CMD, CLP. Yeah, we're good. Gmake clean. Gmake. Alrighty. It's going to rebuild the whole thing. This is good. Very nice. Excellent. Wow. Lovely. Look at that, baby. Nice. Let's update the git ignore here. We just built the entire thing without the files. That's pretty cool. Shame about the, we have to do the RPG next. We've done the commands. We need to, if I was on 7.3, we'd be using the stream file up here. CMD's DS, we can't really do much about. Okay, git status. Git add dash dash all. Build commands. Lovely. Good stuff. Let's go to the old GitHub here. Lovely. Nice. I'm cool. I'm cool with that so far. That's some good 2-hour progress. This is a pretty hefty. The real test right now, I guess, would be to edit the libel and put flight 400 in there, and then also flight 400M. So why don't we do go flight 400 FRS main. Wow. Shift F9? Nope. Okay. Joy. Oh, that was loud. Agent prompt. F10. Jesus, that annoys me. This makes a reservation. That's cool. That's cool. Very cool. I'm very happy with that. Actually. That's neat. Very cool. Very, very cool. Man, took a while. Need to do those tables. That's going to be a big thing. I think I'll have to do that on a separate day. I could do it now. I just need to take a break. So what I'm going to do. Let's get a little... I want to do it. Do I have time to do it now? Let me check my mail. Alright. Maybe I should tweet about it. Maybe I should say that it's going well. Oh my god. Austin Football Club got 30,000 season ticket deposits on opening day. That's crazy. Wow. That's a lot of people. 30,000 season ticket deposits. We gotta figure out how this SQL thing works. I'm putting it off. DDS to SQL. IBMI. I don't want the debate. I want the... Okay, I know what we need to look at. The generate SQL AS... oh, I didn't say that. Because this should tell us. This should tell us. So we pass into this we actually pass in to this API here what type it is. So we know it's a table, for example. So this is a table with a keyed field. Field 001. Easy peasy, right? Primary. It's a primary key. Okay, cool. So this is a logical. SQL regards DDS logical files as views. Okay. View with an additional index. View with an additional index. View with an additional index is what we wanted, Brian. Okay, take that. Okay, we've got it, baby. I wonder what that does. Create view, create label, column, create indexed. Okay, so it creates the, that's nifty. Look at that. Now, I actually think I have a little bug in editor now, because if I go to editor, right, let's open up our list of tables, work obj, FLT GHT400 slash star all slash star file. Okay, I have a little bug. So let's use agents SL as an example. Let's connect to the system, and let's go ahead and look at language tools, generate SQL. Oh, I can put in a value. Okay, no bug. It just that option, I should make that option on here. So I could put in, for example, FL GHT400 agents SL. That could be. Oh yeah, that is a bug because I can't. That is a bug. So I need to. I haven't looked at the IO Editor 1 code in a while. Oh yeah, the canal project. I wonder whatever happened to that. That was what it was called. I lost it. Never mind. User tools. Nope. Forms. See it somewhere. That's not it. Where the hell is it? See it somewhere. Language tools. Nope. Clone window. File select. Ah, that's a terrible name. Blame myself. Okay, options. I have an options. Oh, I already do that. Oh, I am funny. I make myself giggle. Look, good to know. That's cool. Index with additional index option. Index instead of view option. No, 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 no. We want additional index option. So when it equals a view, I'm saying index instead of a view option. When I actually want additional index option. Okay, let's do this instead. Switch type case view break. Let's add a new option. Oh god, I've already crashed VS Code. I've only been in it 2 seconds. View plus index. There we go. And then we actually have to change the type to view. Yeah, like that. Lovely, lovely. Oh, did I get rid of something I shouldn't have? Where's the diff? I did get rid of the replace option by accident. There we go. So, I have a email. Okay, I should go make some tea. I'm kind of getting a bit exhausted, so I'm gonna put a little message on the OBS here. Say text. It's been a long day. Got up very early. It's gonna say making tea. All right, making tea. BRB. That's fair. All right. I'm just gonna leave some RPG up to scare some people off when they come in and look. All right, be right back. Okay. Hello, internet. So, I'm not making tea anymore. I haven't actually made a cup of tea. The kettle's on though. I do have mini cheddars though, and I have some Slack messages. Okay. Mm. Look, I bet you love me. Listen, I bet you love me. I bet you love listening to me eat food. I'm a great host. Hmm. So they have true and false variables in this code. Hmm. Move program to program queue. What is that? Must be. Okay, anyway. So we were going to look at the tables. I think I figured out how. Ah, I need to add the view plus index option. Okay, so let's go here, here, collection. Oh, view plus index. Okay, generate SQL. View plus index. So library flight 400. Select. Oh, I select table. I didn't want that. Oh, the agents is a table. Oh, I used agents SL though. I probably just broke the whole thing. Okay. No, okay, that did something. This is agents. Oh, oh, that's cool. Let's try a different one. Logical. Okay, so let's do that again. So I have Slack open on my Mac on my left here, so I'm in the middle of trying to figure out how to get to Ocean Conference. Flight 400, Agents SL, View plus Index, select. Right at the bottom there, look at that. Lovely. This is cool. Change to input only. Okay. Okay, so now the problem is I have to do that for every damn table. Which is fine. Just things take a while, you know. So I need to I need to use the list of files that I have. There's a lot of files. And then yeah, there's a lot of files. At least I know how to do it. I wonder if this is a tedious task, so I wonder if I should save it. Okay, I'll call it a night, but this is good. I have a fix to get the thing I need, and we're good. This has been good. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll do the tables tomorrow night, maybe. Alright. Ciao, everybody.